Dear learners, welcome to NNK Nuclear Science classes. So, today we will be learning about evaporation. So, first of all, we will see what's the definition of evaporation. It is a process in which water changes into water vapor at all temperature. Evaporation वो process है जिसमें पानी भाप बन जाता है. You can see in this picture here the water changes into water vapor. यहाँ पानी जो है भाप बन रहा है. So this was the definition of evaporation. Now we will see the examples of evaporation कि how these examples come in our daily life. So first example is wet clothes get dried after some time. गीले कपड़े आपके सूख जाते हैं. This is the example of evaporation. And the second example is drying of a mopped floor and wet hair. पोछा लगा हुआ फ्लोर और आपके गीले बाल. It get dried after some time. This was the also example of evaporation. Now we will see द फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग इवेपोरेशन. ऐसे कौन से फैक्टर्स हैं जो इवेपोरेशन को अफेक्ट करते हैं. सो दीज आर नंबर 1 इज़ टेम्परेचर, नंबर 2 सरफेस एरिया, नंबर 3 ह्यूमिडिटी, एंड नंबर 4 is wind speed. Now we will explain these factors one by one with example. So first our example is temperature. So the temperature, when the temperature increases, the rate of evaporation also increases. जब आपका temperature बढ़ता है तो rate of evaporation भी बढ़ता है. For example, in hot weather, जब गर्मी का मौसम होता है, when the temperature is high, our clothes get dried faster. तो हमारे जो clothes हैं वो जल्दी सूखते हैं. So this was an example of temperature, one of the factor of evaporation. So second factor is surface area. When surface area increases, the rate of evaporation also increases. जब surface area बढ़ता है तो rate of evaporation भी बढ़ता है. We can see by the example, the surface area of saucer is bigger than the surface area of cup. So we can sip milk or tea faster from the saucer. So this is because of rate of evaporation increases when surface area also increases. So these two factors were directly proportional to each other. And now the third factor is humidity. So first of all we will see what is the humidity. So humidity is the amount of water vapor present in the air. एयर में amount of water vapor कितना present है, that is called the humidity. And when humidity increases, the rate of evaporation decreases. So students, see here, this is the inversely proportional to each other. When humidity increases, rate of evaporation decreases. So we can see in the example, in rainy season, when the humidity is high, it takes longer time to dry the clothes. And the number 4 is wind speed. So when wind speed increases, then the rate of evaporation also increases. Yes, जब आपकी wind speed बढ़ती है, wind की गति बढ़ती है, तो then our rate of evaporation increases, rate of drying clothes also gets increases. So these were the 4 factors of evaporation. I hope you like my video, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.